My channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be doing a decorate with me and DIY. Just a few days ago, I got in my dream arched cabinet from Magnolia that I have been waiting for about 4 to 5 weeks. So I was really excited to share it with you and also show you how I styled it, because I know decorating cabinets or bookshelves can be hard for some people, so I hope this gives you some inspiration. And then we're going to head into my office area and do a DIY slat wall. I will try to have as much as I can linked in the description box down below for you. I will also be sharing with you an overview of how the slat wall came out in my office and the finished look. So I hope that you guys are excited for this video. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Follow me over on Instagram. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Getting the decorate with me started, the first thing that I like to do is lay out all of my decor that I want to use for whatever space I'm decorating. I've found that this helps a lot when I have items right there in front of me to pick from. So this is my new arched cabinet. She is such a beauty. It is from Magnolia and it is the Grist Mill cabinet. First up, I'm taking 2 books, one from the dollar store and the Chanel book I found at HomeGoods, along with this horse head statue. I could not pass this up. I found it just the other day and I knew that I needed it. It's probably my favorite piece that we have in this cabinet. It is just so unique and I've gotten so many compliments on it. Because this cabinet does have doors that close, I kept that in mind when styling this area. I'm adding this marble disc that I got from Target. These 2 pots are also from Target as well. Unfortunately, a lot of these items are no longer available anymore, but I will try to link as much as I can below for you, so make sure to check the description box. When decorating an arched cabinet or a bookshelf, you want to create different levels of height, add in different textures and colors. So I am adding in this print that I got from Hobby Lobby. Also, I'm adding in some gold candle holders, and then I'm putting this vase that I picked up from Target a couple months ago. Adding in these decorative boxes that I got from the Habitation box. These are perfect when styling any shelves. I'm also taking this wooden link and I'm going to be draping this off the side to add a little bit of texture and visual interest. To create some height on the other side, I'm taking this terracotta vase that I got from Target. To complete this styling, I'm taking this bowl from Target and then I'm grabbing my bookends with some books that I picked up from the dollar store. That is another tip that I have for you when decorating. You do not have to spend a lot of money on decorative books. Go to the dollar store, they're $1.25, super cheap, and they get the job done and look really good. When I'm finished decorating a space, I like to step back and look at it for a couple seconds to make sure that everything looks balanced. I also close the doors with this cabinet to make sure nothing is being blocked in the middle. Overall, I'm really happy with how this styling came out. I would love to hear what you think of it in the comments down below. I am so grateful to finally have an arched cabinet. This cabinet has seriously been a dream for over a year now, so happy that it's finally in our house. We will be doing a DIY on our fireplace. We'll be removing all the shiplap just because we don't think it goes with our style very much anymore, so make sure to stay tuned for that. There's going to be so many projects coming up that I can't wait to share with you. over to our office and I wanted to show you a before shot of what this space looked like. Now I will have my office decorate with me linked down below so you can truly see what this area looked like before we removed all of the decor, but we are going to add a slat wall to the wall behind my desk. We teamed up with Posh Wood Panels to do this project and I really love the way that it came out. This was fairly simple. All we did is use our nail gun to secure these to the wall. We did have to cut some smaller pieces for the bottom and also had to notch out an area for our outlet, but other than that, it was a pretty simple project that I think anyone can do. I will leave a link to their website in the description box down below, along with my discount code, which is MollyXO10, and it'll save you some money if you do decide to do your own slat wall in your house. They do have 5 different selections of colors to pick from as well, which I love. We went with the Posh Oak color, and like I said, we could not be happier. It definitely adds the statement that we wanted in our office and gave us a much more minimal, simplistic look. Once I finish putting the pieces on the bottom of the wall, that is going to complete this really easy DIY. I think it took us 45 minutes to an hour, so pretty quick. I would love to know what you think of it in the comments down below, and thank you so much for being here for today's video. We have a lot of fun content coming, so I hope that you're excited. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram. The link is always down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!